Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on left and right. We need to make sure that students know the difference between left and right. Some suggestions regarding exercises could be as follows. Teachers will be able to provide many more examples to consolidate this very important concept. In the picture to the left, ask the students to do the following. Explain to them that they answer the questions from their viewpoint. It is important for them to understand the orientation when they are distinguishing between left and right. So basically they answer the question from the point of view of them looking at the picture. Let's look at some examples. Circle the flag to the extreme right. So I am looking at the picture, and this flag here is the one to the extreme right. So that's just what I mean by the orientation of you looking at the picture. Colour the cloud to the left. So here you've got two clouds, 1, 2. So as you look at the picture, which one's on the left? Draw a bucket to the right of the spade. So there's the spade. Draw a bucket to the right of this spade. Draw another starfish to the left of the one in the picture. There's the starfish. Draw another one to the left. Draw a pig to the right of the barn. Draw a bird on the ground to the left of the tree. Draw a cloud to the right of the barn. Is the tree to the left or right of the barn? The next picture. Draw a coloured ball to the right of the slide. Draw a bird on the fence to the left of the swing. The next picture. Look at the student to the right in the picture. So there is the student to the right. What colour is her bag? On what side of the teacher is the student who is writing on the board? Students could be asked questions like the following. Hold your pencil in your right hand. Stand on your left leg. Ask any student to stand at the front of the classroom. Then ask the students to name one object to his or her right. Ask the student to name an object to his or her left. So remember, make sure the students are aware of the orientation before they are asked any questions. So this video has looked at the concept of left and right, and it's important for students to understand the orientation before they answer any questions.